Here now is Jamil Jaffer. He is former clerk under Justice Neil Gorsuch and founder of National Security Institute at George Mason University's Antonin Scalia Law School. Good to see you, Jamil. I have to say, the Democrats are going to run out of horrifying terms of what will happen if Donald Trump gets his next conservative justice on the Supreme Court. It was the same with Gorsuch, the guy you used to work for. These doom and gloom predictions of what's going to happen. He's fit in so seamlessly into the Supreme Court. It just shows you how out of step they are with reality.
Exactly. And, the thing about a judge or a justice is that if they follow the law, they're not always going to reach a conservative or liberal outcome. They're going to find out what the law actually says, and they're going to apply that. And everyone's been shocked to see that, Neil Gorsuch, who's been a judge for 10 years, is actually going to apply the law.
And since he's been on the Supreme Court, his opinions have been so standard, and I mean, they've been very good, but there's been nothing outrageous in them, certainly nothing cataclysmic. I'm just wondering if, as you look at the six top candidates now, and maybe it's down to three, I think it's still one of those six, is there a Neil Gorsuch among them?
Look, actually, I think all six could be Neil Gorsuch. They're all very smart lawyers. They're all studied academics. They've all had some experience either in academia or on the bench, and they're all very high-quality people, and they're all conservative but well within the mainstream. And so there are no outliers here. There's no super crazy people. These are people who should all be confirmed rapidly. And, of course, what you're hearing now are scare tactics. Roe v. Wade's going to be overturned. We've heard that since 1987.
Right.
It's not a real thing. People are here to apply the law. Justices and judges are here to apply the law. And it would be great to have a judge and a justice on the court that does just that and doesn't try to make it up as they go along, which is what some people really want.
Now, not all Democrats are these doom and gloomers suggesting catastrophe if one of those candidates gets on the court. Three of them, Joe Manchin, Joe Donnelly from Indiana, and Heidi Heitkamp from North Dakota, voted in favor of Neil Gorsuch. Do you think there is another candidate who could get those three together again for another hat trick?
Well, I would expect that all three of those should vote for any of these six candidates because they're all top quality contenders. They all have great records, both on the bench and in academia. And so the idea somehow that not only those three Democrats, but a bunch more. I mean, you have to remember, Ruth Bader Ginsburg was confirmed with over 60 votes. Sonia Sotomayor, the same thing. So somehow it looks like Republicans can vote for Democratic nominees, but for some reason Democrats won't vote for Republican nominees.
Hey, look, life isn't fair. It's just that simple. But it's not only Democrats. There's some Republicans who've already said they have trouble with one or the other of these guys and women. Ted Cruz says absolutely no to Kavanaugh. And the president can't afford to lose many Republicans. Also, you have Susan Collins and Murkowski going against some of the more conservative. That's why I think a long shot is Tom Hardigan. Hardiman. He could possibly be the right combination, not too far to the right for liberal Republicans, not too far to the left for more conservative Republicans.
Well, look, it's amazing to watch Republican senators go after a Republican president who's committed to and has publicly shown the list of people who's going to announce. And now they're saying, well, not this person, not that person. It's kind of it's disconcerting and really troubling. You would think that Republicans would rally behind the president if he gives them a good nominee. And all of these nominees, whether it's Brett Kavanaugh or anybody else or Tom Hardiman, are all solid candidates. Ray Kethledge, Amy Barrett, they're all solid, and they should all get serious consideration.
Jamil, no matter who is appointed among those six or who is nominated, will any of them, it's kind of a simplistic question, but will any of them make it simpler and easier to start and continue to do business in America?
Well, look, I think that all of them would and all of them should. The reality is that the bulk of the cases in the Supreme Court, 4 out of 5 are decided by more than a 5-4 margin. And so the reality is that we've got strong candidates here, all of whom are supportive of American national security interests, American economic interests, and the American people's civil liberties and privacy. And so the idea somehow that any of these candidates would be bad for any of those things is simply not true. And they should be confirmed not only by 3 Democrat votes, but by substantial majorities in the Senate.
I think 3's the limit, though, this time. Jamil Jaffer, great to see you, my friend. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.